Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. As you can see here, I've got a bit of a problem. Bandsaw tire broke on my 10-inch Beaver Rockwell 28115 bandsaw. And I'm going to show you how I fixed it. First, obviously, we're going to clean this thing up a little bit. Make sure you remove all the dust. Then what I did is took some just normal everyday, this is probably craft grade, scrapbooking double stick tape. And what I'm going to do is just wrap it around the rim of the bandsaw wheel. Once we get that all set, what I'm going to do is just stick the tire back on. Just make sure they are pliable, so just make sure you stretch them so the ends will meet and that it's nice and kind of evenly stuck around. And here I'm just kind of working around just to make sure it's good and firmly adhered to the wheel. Everything seems okay. My next step is just to take some electrical tape. This is just an extra measure, just to try and make sure that this thing stays on there. So I'm just going to do 2 wraps because the electrical tape isn't wide enough to fit over the whole wheel. So what I'm going to just do is 2 wraps. It overlaps in the middle, which causes a little bit of a ridge, which is actually, from my research, is a good thing. It'll help to keep the bandsaw blade tracking towards the middle if there's a little bit of a ridge, or I guess you would say a convex surface for that blade to kind of ride on and be pushed towards the center. Looks good. We're going to go ahead and put the wheel back on and put the blade back on. You can see this, there's the edge, just so you know, this is just a little bit of the electrical tape on the edge, so you know that this is the fixed quote-unquote wheel going back on. And that's about it. Fired it up and it seems to stay on pretty well. Is this going to be a permanent fix? Well, that's yet to be determined. It really was just, I wanted to do something and my tire broke, so I wanted a quick fix. But this thing seems to be staying on there. Seems to be tracking right towards the center, which is right where you want it. And I would have to say that this is a success. Here is me cutting probably about a 2-inch piece of ash. So it's good hard wood, and just so you know, I've actually been using this fix for about a week now and have had no problems so far. Again, eventually I will permanently replace these bandsaw tires, but like I said, I had something I wanted to cut and I just wanted a quick fix. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you can be inspired to try and go ahead and fix some of your own equipment that maybe stopped working or you found yourself in a jam. But always, 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 please be safe and don't do anything that's going to make the tool dangerous or put yourself in harm's way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.